Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy. In our last video, we we're talking about the absolute URL. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the relative URL. Okay, so it's just a direct opposite of each other. So one takes the long URL while the other takes the short URL. So in most cases, the absolute links to an external URL. Okay, it can also link to an internal URL. Okay, but in most cases, links to an external URL. While the relative URL in most cases links to an internal URL or page. Okay, so let's just go and practicalize this relative URL. Okay, so we're going to copy it and we'll head over to our VS Code to see what we have. Okay, so let's clean it up and paste our new code. Good. So we want to see that. So this is the header. Okay, H2. Okay, as opposed to H1. Just use H2 because we don't want it to be too big. Okay, so now we have our P, which is our paragraph P tag, our anchor tag, then our href attributes. Then we have our, so you can see in this case now that we are having a short URL which is /services.html. So it's an internal page on this website. Okay, and the other one we have it /about.html. so about.html is also an internal page on our website. Okay, good. So let's save it and let's come to, so if we come to about.html, you can see what we have there. We have a hello world here. Okay, so let's just put something here. Let's open a p tag. Okay, and let's say we will receive an entry from the home page. Okay, so we'll do an entry from the home page. Okay, so let's go to our index.html, which is our home page. Okay, so we are navigating to the about.html. So let's just go to our browser. Okay, so no, let's make it known. Instead we can say, okay, about us. Okay, about us. So let's save that and let's come back to our browser. So about us, if we click on about us, it's going to take us to the about.html that we edited just now. Okay, good. So if you want to work on the services also, so we'll go to our services.html and we'll just open a p tag and we'll say p, then we'll say this is our services page. Okay, and we'll save that. So if you come back to our index.html and we edit this aspect of the services and we say service page, okay, and we save it, and then we come to our browser. Okay, so let's return to our home page. Okay, and then let's click on, okay, so let's click on the service page. It takes us straight to the services page. Okay, so that's how to use the relative URL. Okay, using the relative URL, it's short in nature. You can see how short it is. Okay, unlike the absolute URL that takes the long URL. Okay, good. So do well to like, follow, comment, and share, and also practice. I'll see you in the next video.